Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for territorial.io error code 4528. The error reads, "Lobby kick, another login detected." This error occurs when you try to access multiplayer and the game immediately kicks you back. According to our research, this error is likely caused by your account being active on more than one device at the same time. It may also result from using a VPN, which can trigger session conflicts, or from running an outdated game client. In some cases, temporary server-side issues can also produce the same error. The first thing you should try is logging out from all other devices. Then restart the game on your main device. Once done, attempt to join a multiplayer match again. If signing out elsewhere doesn't work, then disable any VPN connections if you're using any. And check if this helps with the error. If you still have the error, then next, make sure the game is up to date. If not, then update the game and check for the error again. At last, if you still encounter the error, then this can be the result of some server-side issues. So wait for some time, then reopen the game and see if multiplayer access is restored. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.